In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or leave a workspace in Trello. Managing your workspaces in Trello is an essential part of staying organized and maintaining control over your projects. Whether you're trying to remove a member, deactivate their access temporarily, or leave a workspace entirely, it's important to know how to navigate the process efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make these changes with ease. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look for the Login button in the top right corner of the screen and click it. Now, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Alternatively, you can use single sign-on options like logging in with Google or Microsoft if that's more convenient for you. Once your credentials are entered, click Login again and you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, locate the Workspace switcher, which is typically near the top area of the screen. This is where you can access and manage all the workspaces associated with your account. Click the workspace you want to manage, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Members to view the full list of members in the workspace. Now, scroll through the list to find the member you want to remove. If you're planning to leave the workspace yourself, locate your own name in the list. Once you've identified the correct person, you'll see a Remove button next to their name. Click on that button to begin the removal process. At this point, you'll be presented with several options depending on what you want to achieve. If you want to remove or deactivate a member while still allowing them to remain on the current boards and cards, choose the option that says Remove or Deactivate Member. If you want to remove them entirely from the Workspace directory, as well as from all boards and cards, select Remove from Workspace. If you need to fully revoke their access, remove them from all boards and cards and ensure they don't receive any notifications about the removal. Choose the option Remove from Workspace and Boards. Finally, if you'd like to temporarily pause their access without permanently removing them, select Deactivate. Once you've made your choice, confirm your selection to apply the changes, and that's it. The member will be removed, deactivated, or adjusted based on the option you selected. If for any reason you don't see the Remove button next to a member's name, it's possible that you don't have the necessary permissions. In this case, you'll need to contact a Workspace admin for assistance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.